Do you need help getting started with your bookkeeping? Are you trying to figure out which bookkeeping system is right for you? Do you have some of the pieces to your bookkeeping all figured out, but not all of the pieces ready for your taxes? Do you have questions about your bookkeeping? Do you want guidance on how to organize your books for tax time? Hi, I'm Adrena. I am the owner and accountant here at Accounting by Adrena, and I'm here to help you get your books ready for tax time so there's less overwhelm in the beginning of 2022. Beginning in January, I will be hosting a 6-week live training course on how to organize your bookkeeping for tax time. This course is perfect for the busy service-based entrepreneur. This course will feature 1-hour live teaching sessions from me each week for 6 weeks. I will host office hours each week during our live training so that you'll have access to me to ask your questions. When you sign up, you'll have immediate access to our private and exclusive Facebook group where I'll be there moderating and answering your questions. By the end of the course, you will be ready for tax season and your quarterly estimated taxes. I will walk you through everything. If you're interested, use the link below to sign up and make sure you enter the code YouTube21 at checkout for 10% off. That's YouTube21 at checkout for 10% off. In this course, we cover a multitude of topics, including that of having best practices as an entrepreneur. And one way to ensure you are legit as a business is having your own separate business bank accounts. Now, this goes for credit card accounts as well. So that's why I hesitated there, but it is for your business bank and credit card accounts. I'm also going to throw in PayPal and Venmo as well, because I've seen that a lot. Now, the main thing that I want to I want to cut to the chase right here, right now, is to make sure that you know if you are a business operating as a business, operating for profit, and you are still using your personal checking account, your personal savings account, your personal credit card, there could be an instance where the IRS finds that that is piercing the corporate veil. Now, that is all I'm going to say about that. If you have more questions about that, I would highly advise you to talk to an attorney or to talk to your CPA about what that specifically means, because it's not good. Let's just throw it out there. But not only is it not good in the eyes of the IRS, but it is not good when it comes to putting your business on a solid foundation so that it can grow. Let me just explain a few more things about having your own dedicated business bank and credit card accounts. Now, when my client hires me as their accountant or bookkeeper, I sometimes find that they are still using their personal accounts. So that's kind of like my first thing that I'm looking for. Are you using a business account? And that could be to your detriment if you still are using your own personal accounts, because maybe the person that you're about to hire doesn't want to work with you because you are doing something that is wrong in the eyes of the IRS. Okay, so that's kind of like one of the first things off the bat that I do look for when I'm working with a client. The other thing is it can get really muddy when it comes to having all of your transactions coming through the same account. So personal account and your business, having it all come into one can get very, very muddy, and it's hard to do the bookkeeping. It is hard to separate out those transactions one by one. And this can create a larger mess for you in the future. Not only does it not help you with your business, it just also puts you on kind of like a rocky foundation, because if you are looking to grow your business and to start budgeting and forecasting and all of these things that require clean financials, that is going to take 10 times the amount of time to separate out each of these little pieces of transactions that don't belong there so that you can actually start reporting on your monthly financials. So it's just a huge mess, and I highly discourage you using your personal accounts as part of your business. So I hope I drove that point home. So what I'm trying to say is this will actually cost you more money in the long run if you have all of your accounts connected into the same account, because it's just going to take more time and attention from your finance professionals. And you want to make sure that off the bat, you have clean financials, you have a clean chart of accounts, that your transactions are organized and categorized properly. And all of these things I can help you in my course. So again, if you are interested in taking my course, I'm going to go ahead and leave the link below. Make sure you use the code YouTube21 for 10% off, and I'll see you guys inside my course.